right, today we are going to start the geometry section of 8th grade math. We reviewed area and perimeter yesterday, and we're going to use those skills in either when we're doing volume or surface area. So when we're starting volume, we're going to use the V equals big BH, and you're going to get it off your formula chart. That formula chart needs to be handy. It's this. You need to have that around with you at all times during these next few weeks. So either print it, write it, have it out, an open tab, something, even pull it up on your phone. So it always needs to be there. Okay. All right. Volume is V equals big BH. Big B is the area of the base. So V equals big BH. We're going to use the 5V method to break down this formula. So on the second V, we're going to put the shape of the base. And then this is the height of the base, which is going to be H. The height of the base is what connects the bases. For instance, this is a rectangular prism. This is a rectangle. This is the base, and the top part is the base. Usually it's going to be shaded. Just because it's sitting on something doesn't mean that's exactly the base. The third V is going to be area of the base formula. So this is a rectangle. The area of a base is base times height. Then we're going to substitute the numbers. And then we're going to substitute the height number. And then we're going to multiply everything. All right, so let's look at the first rectangular prism. The base is shaded in. So the first V is, and I get the formula from volume, V equals big BH. Big B refers to the area of the base. So V equals big BH. The second V, we're going to put the shape of the base, which is a rectangle. And then we're going to put an H just for the height of the base. The third V, we're going to put the rectangle formula, which is BH. BH. And then there's going to be another H for the height. All right, now we're going to put in the numbers. The base of the rectangle is 10. The height of the rectangle base is 7. And then this H is the height that connects the bases, and it's going to be 11. Here's the base, here is the height that connects the base, and here's the other base. So we are going to multiply 10 times 7 times 11. And the answer is 770 units cubed, because we are dealing with volume. Okay, let's do the next one. All right, this is like a cereal box. It's still a rectangle, and volume also is what goes inside the shape. Like, for instance, a rectangular prism is like a fish tank, so the volume of the water is the volume in the fish tank. When we're dealing like with cylinders, like a Coke can, how much volume does it hold? All right, V, we're gonna put all the V's down. All right, V equals big BH. The second one, it's still a rectangle. And the H is the height that connects the bases. Then the area, base formula. So the area of a rectangle is base times height. And then the base is going to be 2. The height of the base is going to be 3. And then the height that connects this base to this base is 6. 2. And so we're going to multiply 2 times 3 times 6. And we'll get 36 units cubed. All right, on the last example I'm going to show you is what are we going to do if it's asking for either the length, the height, or the width when it's already given the area. Okay, so if we need to, we can draw a picture of a rectangular prism. All right, the length is 5. We don't know what the width is. And the height is 10. So we're going to do everything the same way with the 5 V's, okay? We're going to have big B equal, V equals big VH. It's still going to be a rectangle. It's still going to be base times height times the height of the base. And then we're going to put in the numbers. 5, the height of the base or the width, we don't know. And then 10 is the height of the base. All right, we're going to multiply 5 times 10, which is 50. And since it's given us our area, we're going to go ahead and put that 500 right there. So this is basically 50x or 50h. And this is saying 50 times something equals 500. And since we've done equations already, remember we divide. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. So 50 divided by 50. I'm sorry, 500 divided by 50 is 10. So the height or the width of this base or the height of this base was 10. Okay. All right, on the homework or the assignment for today, this is what I want to see on every problem. Now you'll try it.